gonna mix up this sound to make it sort of look like concrete.
Concrete?
Yeah, or cement. And this crack right over there. Yeah, I need to put some concrete on there. I think I might need a flattening tool.
Need your flattening tool?
So we're all gonna jump cut real quick.
Okay.
And we're gonna be right back to the video.
Jump cut.
And we set to start compacting the ground. All of the cement or concrete is gonna be compacted down. Isn't it?
Woo!
Wait.
Zip your jacket up, please.
It's getting windy here and rainy, as you can see.
Look up.
It's raining. And that's finished. What are we doing next? I think next is to try the signs.
All right.
Boom! Hi, YouTubers. I subscribe because I was behind that stop sign. This might be the next thing of the previous video. Oh my, I remember cracking. Okay, we're gonna get back to crack drilling in a moment. What am I?
Nice job.
These two videos were on the same day as we uploaded them. Like when you see where we uploaded them, yeah, you will see the same day. So yeah, the same day as we uploaded previous videos.
Okay, bye all YouTubers.
So no, we still have a bit more left to that. Move back a bit down. And get over here. Didn't say that we're gonna get back to the building because we need to get them right there. And then we're gonna get these down. Kind of locked before I even get there. Where's this stupid? Anyway, bye all YouTubers. See you in the next video.